Top 5 Best Robot Vacuum and Mop in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best robot vacuum and mop? If you received a new robot vacuum and mop, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best robot vacuum and mops on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. Omsur is an advanced intelligent robot vacuum that effectively combines vacuuming, sweeping, and wet mopping functionalities into a single device. It features a powerful 15 kPa suction capability that efficiently removes dust and debris from various surfaces. Cleaning operations. With more than 5 operating modes, it accommodates different floor types and specific cleaning needs. The Omsur operates on a lithium-ion battery, featuring wireless auto-charging, which allows for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Number 2. The Abir X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is an advanced cleaning device designed for comprehensive home maintenance. It integrates mopping, sweeping, and suction functionalities, ensuring thorough cleaning across various floor types. Equipped with a dual-location system combining LiDAR and SLAM technology, it allows for precise mapping and navigation, while also storing multiple floor maps and enabling zone cleaning with restricted area set. Its bagless dust box, ranging from 0.6 to 1 L, comes with a HEPA filter to effectively capture dust and allergens. Powered by a lithium-ion battery at 14.8 V. Number 3. This multifunctional device combines mopping, sweeping, and vacuuming, offering comprehensive floor care. It utilizes smart mapping technology to efficiently plan cleaning routes. The Lefant M2 Pro has a large dust capacity of over 2 liters, equipped with a HEPA filter that captures dust and allergens effectively. It weighs 3 to 4, catering to different surfaces and cleaning needs. The vacuum is powered by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery with a 19 V voltage, enabling wireless operation. It supports up to 60 days of hands-off cleaning through scheduled timing, making. Number 4. The Xiaomi Smart Sweeping Robot is a 3-in-1 multifunction intelligent cleaner that combines sweeping, mopping, and vacuuming capabilities to provide comprehensive floor care. It operates silently, allowing for efficient cleaning without disturbing household activities. Weighing less than 3 kilograms, this robot is easy to handle and maneuver. It is powered by a long-lasting Li-ion battery, facilitating extended 5L and a liquid tank that holds under 3L, enabling versatile cleaning options. Its planned cleaning route ensures systematic coverage of floors. The design is bagless for easy dust removal, complemented by a specialized cleaning brush nozzle. Number 5. The GUOHE Smart Mopping Machine is an innovative cleaning device designed for effortless maintenance of floors. It is versatile, supporting both dry and wet cleaning modes, and operates fully automatically for hands-free use. The machine is engineered for silent operation, which minimizes disruption, making it ideal for homes and offices. It features a dust capacity of 1 to 2 liters for efficient debris collection. With intelligent navigation, the smart mopping machine optimizes cleaning routes and boasts a sleek, compact design suitable for various flooring types. Manufactured in mainland China, it adheres to high-quality standards, making it an excellent choice. Thanks for watching the video.